Oh, fuck. Well, there's the fucking truck.
Oh, yeah, he's
stop?
down to a... No! He's down to the rim.
Yeah. He lost the whole tire. That chunk could have come right through the windshield.
I know. Holy shit.
Well, you got it right there.
You got what right there? Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Well, just be careful.
We're gonna get off the next exit.
I know, because it's gonna fall off. So that shred was part of it, the beginning of his